Welcome back to another episode of Chasing Outdoors. We are out here today. It is opening day of big duck season in Ohio, and it's sitting right around 12 o'clock right now. You know, like I said, get out here early, public land. It's been raining all day. Drove in the rain, got here, pretty early. Definitely been here for a while now, but it's been raining all morning. It's looking like a pretty good opener though. It's a north wind, about 15 miles an hour right now. That's what it's supposed to be all morning. So just hanging out now, just kind of holding the spot. And here soon we'll be moving out, getting out there, putting decoys up. Hopefully be able to shoot some birds. I'm gonna try not to limit out on some teal. Try and shoot, some mallards or something. But I ain't turning down no teal. Blue wing, green wing. They come into the decoys, they're getting shot. But we're gonna try and see what we can do today. Never killed a full plumage Drake Woody, so hoping maybe there's still some around. Seems like here in Ohio, right after teal season, this cold front starts moving in and they head south. They're gone, so hopefully there's still some around and maybe I can get one of those on the ground. But I'm just gonna hang around here and I don't know, eat something. Probably eat some donuts or something, but you guys just stay tuned and hopefully get some birds flying around. And if the rain holds off, I'll have the big camera out, but more than likely just gonna get some GoPro footage. Depends on the weather. It's supposedly stopped raining, but it seems like it's starting to rain again. So we'll see once shooting time comes in if I'm gonna keep using the big camera. Maybe I'll record my buddy shooting some, get him on the big camera for you guys. But like I said, it just depends on the rain. Seems like in Ohio, if it won't be raining, it'll be blue skies, and then it's raining again. But yeah, so you guys just stay tuned, and I will see you guys around shooting light or once I get the decoys up. Yeah. I can hardly see my pin, my bead.
Teal and mallards. First thing to get up.
I got buck fever right now. Ready to blast. I just love knowing I can shoot any duck that comes in because there's no limit. Wow, it is dark.
Where's all the guns?
Dude, there's so many birds above us. They're everywhere. We got 3 coming right at us, right here in the decoys. Oh, 3 of them. I got these 2 marked. Dude, I just dropped 2 of these sons of bitch. Right here. It was dark and he was flying. That's
Woody.
We got one to the right, coming behind us, right here behind us, real low, real low. It's gonna come over your head.
See it.
Dude, I just had 4 of them come over our head and I missed them.
There's 4 up front. Right behind us. There they are. They're coming around. Let's do it. Get them.
No way. I think so. Oof. Right here, come right at us, right at us.
Yep. Do it.
Big flight right here to my right, to our right. Fuck, I can't concentrate.
They're here.
I'm freaking out.
Oh, here they come. To the right. 9 of them. Get them. Dude, get ready. Let's do it. Oh, we got 1.
1 or 2, I think.
They're here. Oh, the coot. I ain't committing either.
Got one coming over your head. I want big ducks. I'm tired of trying to shoot these little dive bombers right here coming at me.
Get him.
It's a coot.
Oh. Right here, come in. Come in here. Get him. That's a good one. All right, let's keep calling. Do that
We got one right here, wrapped up on my right.
Get him. Right here, come here.
Right here, coming over us, coming over us. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, I didn't make an outro for the video. My GoPro told me that it actually didn't record and save any of the video that I made for opening day. But as you guys watched the video, it actually did. I'm having a lot of issues with the GoPro. It's an older one, so I probably just need to get a new one. But I didn't end up doing an outro, like I said, and showing you guys the birds because I didn't think I was going to be able to make that into a video. But we ended up with 11 birds total. Well, 11 ducks total and 2 geese. We ended up with a couple green wing, blue wing, a shoveler black duck, a hen woody, and I think there was something else, or a widgeon. There was a widgeon as well. But I'll upload a picture after this so you guys can really see how we did and everything. But yeah, I mean it was a great day. We only lasted maybe an hour and a half in. There was a lot of birds flying around, limited out pretty quick. We killed our 12, but we couldn't find the 12th bird. We looked for a while, so we left it at that with the limit. Wasn't gonna try and wasn't gonna try and kill another one, nothing like that. So, but it was a good day, and then you guys will see in the second video that I'll upload, which is Sunday. I do talk about in the beginning of the video that that the GoPro messed up, and that I wasn't able to make this video that you guys are watching right now. So just disregard that. But yeah, so the GoPro was acting up, and it did get most of the hunt, but it did ended up actually dying somewhere in the middle of it. So there was not a video of me shooting the geese and or some of the birds. But I think I got it figured out somewhat. I don't know. I think it's time just to get a new one. It is a 3, so I think there's a 9 out right now, so that it tells you just how old it is. So maybe I'll be in the market to get a new GoPro. But I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, turn the notifications on. Leave down in the comments. Let me know how you guys did opening day. If it was opening day for you guys this weekend. If not, just let me know how you guys did this weekend anyways. And yeah, so I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.